We always end up with a lot of these empty spools. So I found some files online. I think it was Thingiverse. They're drawers that mount in with an M3 screw. They pivot out. They have a ring that goes here in the middle to where you can stack them. I'm assuming a PVC pipe will fit, maybe 1.5 inches will fit in the middle of that ring, so you can stack them even, you know, more stable. But these are a good little project if you're like me and you've got a ton of small parts laying around. I will put the link, if I can find it again, in the description.